Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have got something really exciting to share with you guys. I have found two potentially massive projects that are still super underfarmed. Barely anyone's farming them right now, which means a huge opportunity for you. So, the first project I want to talk about is Rynus. Rynus is a decentralized GPU computing platform built on the Solana blockchain. It is designed to democratize access to cloud computing power for AI training, 3D rendering, and other computational tasks while ensuring data security and privacy. To start farming on this project, first, go to the registration link and connect your Twitter account. After successfully connecting your Twitter account, you will see this dashboard. In the top right corner, you will see the wallet connection option. Go there and connect your Phantom wallet. After successfully connecting your wallet, go to Cloud for AI Training. In the top left corner, you will see the option called New Training Job. Click on that. Now, select any job from here and complete it. You can create only 10 jobs every day. For completing each job, you will get 100 points. You can earn up to 1,000 points by completing 10 jobs every day. To earn more points for this project, you can also farm on their Telegram application. First, go to the link and open the application. Now, click on the image. Then select any option from here and do this to earn points every day. You can also check in daily to earn more points. Connect the same Phantom wallet here as well. That's it. I have shown you how you can earn points. Now, just keep grinding as much as possible. The next project I want to talk about is HyperSpace. This is a browser node, so you have to keep the page active in the background. To start farming on this project, first, go to the link. Click on Import Private Key. Copy your private key and paste it into this box. Then click on Import Key. Now, connect your node. As you can see, my node has been connected. You can check your points here. Hit the like button if this video helped you. You can also join my Telegram channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.